Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I will show you how to equip Dive Trail in Apex Legends. First, make sure you actually own a dive trail. Dive trails are usually earned from rank rewards or special events. You only get to use them if you've unlocked one. Well, dive trails used to be rewards for diamonds, ranked diamond upwards in ranked, but now you can only get dive trails by getting mythic skins for the legends. To get mythic skins, you need to have heirloom shards and claim them by going to the store, mythics, scroll down, and here you see legends with dive trails available. For example, Maggie with a dive trail. And if you have a dive trail already, to equip them, what you have to do is click on Legend Locker, click on More, and click on Skydive Trails. Click and choose the dive trail that you want. After equipping it, your dive trail will appear when you're the jump master or when you break off during the drop at the start of the match. If you don't see any options, that means you haven't unlocked dive trail yet. And that's it. That is how you equip a dive trail in Apex Legends.